Hello friends, in here we will cover the two applications of MOSFET, that is how to use our MOSFET as a switch and how to use our MOSFET as an amplifier. Now the learning outcomes. After studying this topic, student will be able to understand how to use our MOSFET as a switch. It will be either on switch or off switch, and similarly how to use our MOSFET as an amplifier. Now the working of MOSFET as an open switch, or we can also call it as an off switch. Now please observe the circuitry. Now in this circuit, drain is connected with the VDD, then the input voltage which is applied to the gate terminal, and your source is connected with the ground or 0 volt, and input voltage is also connected with the 0 volt. So when our input voltage is 0 and gate is connected grounded, then our VGS, which is equals to 0 ideally, and as per the drain characteristics of our MOSFET, our conclusion is that if suppose our voltage across the gate and source is less than that of the threshold voltage, then our MOSFET will work in the cutoff region. And when this voltage is less than that of our VTH, then the drain current will be equals to 0. As the MOSFET is in cutoff region, so the drain current will be equals to 0, and our output voltage, that is voltage between the drain and source, which is equals to VDD and which is equals to 1. 1 means yes, it totally depends on how much VDD is applied. So this indicates that maximum voltage across the MOSFET, that is VDS, which is equals to VDD. Then second condition, zero drain current. This indicates that the resistance is very high. As the resistance is very high, so this MOSFET will work as an open switch. This is how to use our MOSFET as an open switch. Now let's see how to use our MOSFET as a closed switch or on switch. Now in this circuit diagram, the drain terminal is connected with the VDD, then input voltage, that is Vin, is applied to the gate, and gate and input are connected with the VDD, that is drain to drain voltage. Now here the gate to source voltage, that is VGS, is much greater than that of the threshold voltage, and as per the drain characteristics we know that when VGS is much greater than that of VTH, then the MOSFET is in saturation region, and when the MOSFET is in saturation region, then the drain current it starts flowing through the MOSFET, and that indicates the MOSFET is in on state. And at the same instant, our output current, that is ID, it totally depends on the variation of the VGS, means how much, means our output current is totally depends on how much VGS or how much voltage between voltage for the gate and source is there, and it doesn't depends on the voltage between the drain and source. So when our MOSFET is in saturation region, then it operates as a low resistance closed switch. Now this image, second image, shows that the MOSFET is working as an closed switch. Now the last application of our MOSFET, that is how to use our MOSFET as an amplifier. Now the working of MOSFET as an amplifier and the transistor as an amplifier is almost same. But in case of transistor, we need to bias our transistor in active region only. Active region means our base emitter junction is in forward bias condition and collector base junction it is in reverse bias condition. And when we bias our transistor in active region, then due to high current gain or high current amplification factor, that is beta, at the output we will get some amplified signal, means our weak signal will convert into what, the strong signal. uh, Means in case of our transistor, our output current is totally depends on the how much input current is there. But in case of the MOSFET as an amplifier, here the input signal is applied to the gate terminal, then our drain is connected with the VDD, and our source terminal is connected with the ground potential. Now in case of MOSFET as an amplifier, let's revise the drain characteristics of the MOSFET. Now in drain characteristics of the MOSFET, when our VGS, that is voltage between the gate and source, is less than VTH, that is threshold voltage, then our MOSFET will work in the cutoff region. Why in cutoff region? Because in this region the drain current is almost equals to 0. But when our VGS is greater than that of the threshold voltage, then the drain current it starts flowing through the MOSFET, and that indicates our MOSFET is in saturation region. And here also to use our MOSFET as an amplifier, we need to operate our transistor in saturation region only. Means when our VGS is greater than VTH, then our MOSFET will work as an amplifier. Now here the input signal is applied to the gate terminal, and at the output signal we are getting some amplified signal. And now when we are getting some this amplified signal, if suppose our VGS, that is gate to source voltage, is greater than that of the VTH, because when our VGS is greater than the threshold voltage, then maximum drain current will start flow through the MOSFET, and due to that maximum current, at the output we will get some the amplified signal, means our weak signal will be converted into the strong signal. So if we compare the BJT as an amplifier and MOSFET as an amplifier, then in case of BJT as an amplifier, we need to bias our transistor in active region, but in case of MOSFET, we need to bias our MOSFET in the saturation region. Saturation region means our VGS, that is voltage between gate and source, should be greater than that of the threshold voltage, because when the VGS is greater than threshold voltage, then the maximum drain current will start flow through the MOSFET, and due to that maximum drain current, at the output we will get some amplified signal. Thank you.